I'm Wes, one of the owners here at 303 Mobile Mechanics in Denver, Colorado. We're a mobile-based company, so we go to customers' houses, jobs, do repairs on site. We also offer in-house tows, so if the job becomes too big to be performed on the side of the road or at somebody's job or house, we tow it back to the shop and get it knocked out here. Shopmonkey helps in time management, and customers love our invoices. It looks more professional. When we get a mobile call, our technician will arrive on site. He has his tablet. He'll input information into the tablet about the vehicle that he's working on. It'll automatically populate the information back to home base. We know which parts we need to order. We can build the estimate, send that back to the client. They'll authorize repair, and by the time the technician gets back to home base, he'll already have a tote full of parts so he can go right back out and perform the service. Favorite feature of Shopmonkey for me personally is the ability to add pictures to the invoice. Customer doesn't even need to be on site when we go out to service their vehicle. It's like they're there without even being there. I recommend Shopmonkey 5 stars. It's a great software. It works for us, and I'm sure it'll work for any other shop that's new or old and just wants to kind of change their system. Shopmonkey is definitely the way to go.